Jigsaw, A Puzzle in the Post by Bob Graham. No one knew just who it was sent by. It arrived one day all covered with stamps, a beautiful jigsaw, an African sunrise. "Good luck to you all," was all the card said. The Kellys stood there and undid the wrapping. "Oh, let's do it," said Kitty and Katie and Mum. "I've got time on my hands," said Dad, and he set his watch for late autumn. "Let's get started," said the Kellys. Early in winter they completed the edges. Kitty and Katie and Lucy helped too. The girls went out playing in spring and in summer, but Dad kept his head down just getting it done. With autumn approaching, they sorted the colours, as a beautiful dawn began to emerge. "The hippo's swim shorts," said Dad. "One piece is missing!" They looked high and low. They looked under Kitty. They looked under Lucy and everywhere else. Then Mum stopped and she thought. Yes, she did some hard thinking. "I think I've got it," said Mum. "Where is it?" they said. "Went out in the rubbish," she whispered. "We'll find it," Dad said, "if it takes us all autumn." "Oh, let's do it," said Kitty and Katie and Mum. Dad looked at his watch and the leaves started to fall. "Jigsaw piece missing, hippo swim shorts," said Dad, and the man stroked his chin. "Yes, people come looking, but they don't often find them. Try the stack at the end." "Some hope's what we need to get things a bit clearer." "Let's start here then," said Katie. "Shouldn't take long." There were letters of love from faraway places, letters of sorrow, notes of forgiveness, bus tickets, train tickets, cards saying thank you, and newspapers old and forgotten in time. Old confetti from weddings, a sock no one wanted, a note that said, "I'll meet you at 20 to 9, and "Sorry for your troubles," attached to old flowers. "Get well," said another, sealed with a kiss. There were shopping lists, too many to mention, an old soldier's photo yellow with age, and every so often a breeze would lift them and put them back down like falling rain. They looked up, they looked down. "Let's look at it this way. It's just waiting around and it'll find us again." "That's wishful thinking," said Mum. "Let's wish then," said Katie. and they sadly went home. Through the front door, back into the kitchen. It was Dad's boot that had now lost it. It was Kitty who found it. Can't believe that we missed it. Must have been there the whole time. So, with Autumn here with them, the puzzle was finished. It was Kitty who placed it, her sister who straightened it. The hippo found his swim shorts and the sun came up out of Africa. To whoever it was who sent them the puzzle, Katie wrote back with pictures by Kitty. Our love to you too, and hope this card finds you, Katie and Kitty Kelly. She addressed it to nowhere, and Mum said, well, they have to live somewhere. So Katie changed it to somewhere, with enough stamps to cover its travels. And with a hope and a wish and a shouldn't take long, they went out into the autumn twilight. Kitty dropped it in the postbox, a small boat on a wide ocean of letters.